So for items 8 to 10, so this is a sale of real property. So we are asked to compute for the taxable income if it is an ordinary asset, and the uh wait tapos sa number 10 is the capital gains tax payable in 2021 and 2022 kung ito daw ay capital asset. No, so 8 and 9 is ordinary asset, number 10 is capital asset. So let's start. So again, we have to compute yung initial payments at ah i-compare natin ilang percent siya nung selling price. So base sa problem, meron tayong down payment na 100,000 tapos meron kang isang down payment na marireceive ah on December 20, 2021. So that's 25,000. So total is 125,000. So yan yung na-recover mong contract price, no? So ilang percent siya ng selling price? So of course you divide that by the selling price. So you get the percentage which is 20.83%. So ibig sabihin this transaction qualifies for installment reporting. So for number 8, taxable income for 2021. So kunin natin yung buong gross profit nung sale. So, selling price of 600 less cost na 375. So, gross income is 225. So, multiply mo siya dun sa ratio na 20.83 na na-compute natin sa taas. So, that will be your taxable income for 2021, 46,800 75. Next is 2022. Okay? So, for 2022, makakakuha ka ng 12 monthly installment. So, 25,000 times 12. So, that's 300,000. So, again, you divide that by the selling price na 600,000. So, that means the ratio is 50%. So, i-multiply mo siya dun sa gross income from the sale na 225,000. So, your reportable taxable income for 2022 is 112,500.